Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to fix unoriginal content strikes on TikTok. So let's get started. If you believe that your content has been wrongfully flagged as unoriginal on TikTok, you can try the following steps to address the issue. So first thing first, go to your profile on your TikTok. Then simply tap on the three dashboards, then tap on the settings and privacy inside it. Inside settings and privacy, scroll down till you find report a problem option. Scroll down. Now, after you see report a problem option, tap on it. Inside report a problem, scroll down till you find submit a report option. There, you can see submit a report option in the last. Then tap on it. After you tap on it, you will get to see your support tickets or tell us your feedback. Now all you have to do is copy and note down the same thing I have written here. I am writing I am having issues with the unoriginal strike on my TikTok account. I need this to be fixed because it's my content and I used it. And make sure that you mention it is very important in your feedback so that they will review it fast. You can write what I am writing here same so that it will be easy for you to mention your problem or mention your issue. Now after that, submit, tap on the submit option available there. Now TikTok will go through your issue and they will reply you back or take care of your issue within 22 or 48 hours. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.